What going on, people? So we're back again with another video. So today we're making plantain tart. So here are the ingredients. You could check in the description, you have the full recipe. So we're gonna start off by cutting out the plantain. So in this case I look the ripest plantain I could have find. That's why you see the skin black. But you could get any ripe plantain, it would work just fine. First you're gonna cut it up. Next thing we're gonna do is put it for boil. So just put water, I'm not put no salt, nothing. Just the water and you put that for boil until the water dries down and it gets soft. So it should look something like this. So when it finishes boiling, we're gonna take it out, put it in a dish, and you make it cool down. Make it cool down for a while. When you're done, you have to mash it. I don't have the right equipment here, but you use what you got. In this case, I have a fork. That's what I'm using. If you have the fancy stuff, then you go ahead. Afraid. So we don't have it mashed good now. We're gonna start putting the seasoning. Starting with cinnamon. So cinnamon, you mix it in very good. After the cinnamon, we gonna put some nutmeg. And here we have clove seed. Make sure you mash it up good. Put some vanilla. Put sugar. This got according to your liking. If you like sweet, you put it sweet. In this case, I don't put much sugar. And this is the main ingredient that gives the color. You know, plantain tart got that reddish color inside and the filling. So this is what you use to make it. So it all depends on you how red you want it. Depending on how red you want it, that's the amount you're going to put. So you make sure you stir it in good, and this is how we look afterward. Now we're gonna prepare the dough, starting with adding some baking powder. You add your sugar. Remember, all the ingredients will be in the description and how much we use and everything. So check the description. Make sure you mix up all the dry ingredients good. Then we put some melted butter. So this is less than half stick of butter. Remember, we're not making not much, it's just 2 plantain we use. 2 plantain and 1 pound of flour. So not much, but depends on how much you want to get. When you go measure it according. So when you're making the dough, just remember add the water. You don't want it too soft, like you don't want it too sticky. You just go adding licky by licky until you reach the right texture. Okay, now that we don't have it set up, you let it make it rest there for like 15 minutes before you start kneading it out. Okay, here you got to knead and knead and knead till you get it to the right spot. But it don't look rough and scruffy. Now that we have it, so flatten it and then we proceed to cut it up. Now for cut it, you could use what you have again. Whatever you have in your house, you use that for cut it. In this case, I'm using this cup. If you have something better than that, you go ahead. You get them the right size. Actually, this one was little too small. So off camera, I use a different one to get them a little bigger. This one was kind of too small. So it all depends on the size where you want to get it. Now what you do is add your filling. Depending on how much filling you got, how much you want to fill it up, you fill it up. It's all up to you. Okay, make sure you clamp it good. this case, when you use that fork, and make sure you keep clamped down, make sure you keep stick together. And you do that with the same process you do with all the rest. Okay, now next thing is to grease the pan. Grease the pan that you use so they don't stick up on the bottom. In this case, I use some cooking knife for greasing. And while making these cuttings so inside could cook good. You could either make it like this with a scissors, or you can use a fork and bore the hole so inside could cook good. Put it to bake. Now in this case, you see we use 2 plantain, and this is the amount we get. So 2 plantain give me 10 plantain tart. Check it out, check it out.
No. Delicious.
Here the video game in it, but with the plain smash. These boys didn't walk out on the camera.
Where you?
Not the thing I want to come out in the video.